All right, today I am testing out 10 Dollar Tree kitchen gadgets. I see them every time I go. I'm like, they feel kind of cheap. I don't think they would work. Today we're going to find out. All right, so first, I'm not sure if this is really a gadget or not, but it is a flexible cutting mats. They are 2 to a pack. They were $1.25. All this, each item was $1.25. I don't have a Dollar Tree Plus. So I wish I did, but I don't. So I do have some flexible cutting boards that I've used for a while. They are like different colors, one for meat, one for vegetables, whatever. I forget the color, so oh well. I use whatever one's on top. My buddy James over at Freaking Reviews reviewed some of these that I think he found at Walmart, and they're in different colors. But this was a 2-pack for $1.25. So cut, flex. We'll be cutting a little bit, so we'll kind of see how it works. All right, here's the, you can barely see the mat, but here it is. Here's the mat, and here is a garlic press. So let's put some garlic in and see what happens. It's you know, of course it's plastic. It does feel like it'll fall apart, but we'll see. We'll see. I shouldn't judge. No judgment. All right, let's see. All right. Oh, I'm scared it's gonna break. I'm scared it's gonna break. Not from the Dollar Tree, but let's get this off. Let's see. So I don't know. It's all right. Let's see. Maybe I didn't push hard enough. I'm just afraid it's gonna break. That's a little more. A little more. Let me put another piece in, see if I can push it through. Let me see. I saw a hack. Let's see. Turn it. It's supposed to come out peeled. Oh, pretty good. Look at that. Try another one. It says, if you've tried this, let me know. So you just put your knife in and twist. Well, kind of. Oh, that was pretty good. Huh. All right, let's put it in here and see. I might have to use twice as much garlic in one of these things. I'm not sure. All right, let's see. Can you hear it? It sounds like it's gonna break. It's a big thumbs down for me. Thumbs down. All right, up next, cheese grater. Basic little cheese grater. Yes, I usually like to buy my block cheese at Aldi, but I forgot to get it yesterday, so I was at Kroger, so I got it there. All right, let's see. Let's grate some cheese. Oh, look. Yay. Yay. That's pretty good. It doesn't feel like it's, you know, it takes a lot to bend this. Oh. Well, the cheese grater gets a thumbs up. All right, next is a can opener. Looks like it open bottles too, it looks like right there. All right, let's see. My can here. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no. It's not good. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Perfect. Thumbs up on the can opener. All right, so up next is this apple corer. Why is that so hard to say? Corer. Apple corer and slicer. All right, let's see. Let's see. Let me do it this way. It feels pretty weak. Blades. We'll see. All right. And you're gonna have, you know, can't have too big apple, but bad. This is better than I thought. Oh, looky there. Looky there. I was wrong about these gadgets. All these years I've been wrong. Well, not all of them. Just might get all the way through. Yeah. Wow. Surprising myself here. Thumbs up. Next is this Avocado Tool. It's Betty Crocker. It's a 3-in-1. It halves, pits, and slices. All right, let's see. They had a McCormick brand too, I believe. So I'm assuming this should have it. Oh yeah, look at that. Ow! But I did not cut myself. Of course, you gotta make sure they're ripe, or I don't think it would go through. All right, let's see. Look at that. Now I'm is this the core? Oh, did I just figure this out? It's like this is a small one. Let's see. Ah, yay, I did it. I did it. So proud. It's the little things, little things. All right, now here is the slicer. Get this out of the way. All right, let's slice it. Oh, am I going the wrong way? Doesn't matter. All right. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. Where's my garlic? I'll put it in with my garlic. I'll make some guacamole later. Not bad. Here, let's try the next one. There's plastic. Let me close this. This I did like because I don't think that would actually cut you. So even though I slipped, if it would have been a knife, it probably would have cut me. So I do like that. All right, let's try again. I don't think it matters which way. All right. Not bad. Not the prettiest, but was I going the wrong way? No, it's the same. So the slices are okay. Well, you know, what do you expect? You know, for $1.25, I think it's worth it, especially if you're worried about cutting yourself, because I have known people to cut themselves pretty bad cutting an avocado. So this, I think, would keep someone from cutting themselves. Pretty good. I'll have to give it a thumbs up. For $1.25, I think it's worth it. So next up are these kitchen shears. I've seen these reviewed on other channels, and apparently they're an upgrade. Since Dollar Tree went to $1.25, some of their products have gotten better. It can be used for a variety of tasks, such as snipping fresh herbs, cutting twine or parchment, cutting meat, and more. So I use scissors to cut like bacon. I don't have any bacon, but chicken sausages. And this also has a bottle opener too, just like the can opener. Or maybe that's just to open, like once you, I don't know. I think it could be, a bottle opener. I'm gonna say I don't have a bottle, but I thought I do have one bottle, and it's up here. But this is a Coke bottle for Christmas for $19.95. I could probably sell it, right? I can't, look, you can see it would open it. It would open the bottle. I don't think last I checked it was like $10 on eBay, but still, it's $10. All right, let's see if it'll cut some meat. It's got some teeth there. Yeah, I like the sound. Yeah, cut some meat. Cut it this way. Oh yeah. Thumbs up for sure. All right, so up next we have a 7-inch chef's knife. I'm sure some people who might be chefs are laughing right now. It does not feel very sharp. We're gonna see. Should I start with a tomato or an onion? I'm going to go for an onion because that's a little harder. So let's see. Well, that was all right. Let me see. Let me go down the middle. All right, maybe not. All right. Oh, there we go. Oh, cut this up. Jesus. All right, let's see. This feels really cheap. Oh no. This is really bad. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. One, because this is so bad, and two, because of the oh, I can cut better than this. It's just the knife. I'm worried I'm gonna cut myself. Hopefully this will be good enough to make my guacamole. Let's see. I mean, I guess it got the job done. Kind of. I'm gonna cry. But yeah, invest in a better knife. Where's my guacamole? Let me see if it can even go through a tomato. There is a mat. See there. All right. All right. Here we go. Oh, huh. Better than I thought. Not bad. It redeemed itself a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm not sure how long this would last, but oh. Well, Silicone Glove is up next. I use this to get out these cupcakes I made. Here they are, but let's take a look how well the silicone glove worked. It's heat resistant up to 500 degrees. All right, as you saw, that did not go so well. That got really hot really fast. So this is a big no, 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 no. All right, so we need to decorate the cupcake. So I have this cake decorating kit. It includes 5 tips and a bag. So yeah, so then they do have icing at the Dollar Tree. As you may or may not know, I've decorated mini cakes over the years. So let's see. This is more for writing. Oh, this hole is not very big. So the opening here, not usually a pastry bag you can it's easier to get into, but this one not. And I'm not going to use this tip. I'm going to use, let's see. Oh, this one would be more for writing. Let's see what this does. All right. I wouldn't fill this too full. It's a little challenging to get it all in there when it's. I guess usually they're more wide like that, like a triangle. All right. This bag actually feels pretty good. It's just the tip I'm concerned about. All right, let's see. You can see. Not bad. Let's see. I actually don't feel like, like I said, I've decorated a lot, and sometimes you can feel if the tip is coming out. But this Go backwards on this one. I'm not worried about it coming out. Look at that. Let's try a different tip. So this just sits on here. So it's a little different if you've decorated before. It's not like a regular coupler. Screw that on. All right, let's see what we have here. With the bag, even though it's small, it feels pretty good. Yeah. So again, not my best work. I have to say, thumbs up. So this was fun. Like I said, I'm very surprised how well some of these worked. Yeah, and if there's other products at Dollar Tree you would like me to try, just let me know in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, think about hitting that red subscribe button and the bell for notifications. I appreciate you watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye.